Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to create a multi-screen WhatsApp flow using BotBee. These flows let you guide users through interactive steps right inside WhatsApp without writing any complex code. We are going to build a fully functional job application form right now. I will explain exactly what each element does as we drag it into our flow. Let's dive in. First, log into your BotBee dashboard. Head over to the Bot Manager under WhatsApp section. Click on WhatsApp Flows and hit Create on Studios to open the Flow Builder. Look at the top right corner at our flow settings. Let's name our flow Job Application Form and set the category to lead generation. Here, you will have to set up a reply after submit. Or connect an HTTP API or Google Sheet to automatically store the data your users submit. Forms in BotBee are built using screens, which acts like separate pages to break up long forms into easy steps. Let's create our first screen. Every screen needs a unique screen ID, using only letters and absolutely no spaces. Let's make the ID welcome. Now let's open the field library and build. For starters, we will add a body text which will contain some instructions on how to fill the job application form. First, we will drag a text input for full name. We will drag a number field for their phone number. This restricts the user to typing only numeric values. We will use a date element so that they can easily pull up a calendar and select their date of birth. Finally, to let them move to the next page, we will drag in a button label and customize it to say next. Now we add a second screen for their resume upload. We will give it the ID details. For their education, we will first use a drop-down menu and bulk paste the options. Now let's drag in radio field. This is a multiple choice element where users can select only one option. We will ask graduation status with the options graduated and still appearing. Pro tip: if you wanted them to be able to select multiple options, you would use the checkbox element instead. Here you can also use if condition element, which lets us build smart conditional logic based on what they answers on the first screen. You can set the rule. If their graduation status equals graduated, in the then branch we will add a field asking for their end date. In the else branch, if they are still appearing, we will ask which year they are in. This way, users only see questions relevant to them. Because this is our final terminal screen, we can now drag in a document upload field and label it resume or CV. You can configure supported file formats like PDFs or docs. If you want them to take a selfie or upload an ID, you had used the photo upload element. Just remember, upload fields must only be placed on the last screen of your flow. Next, let's add an opt-in field for them to check the box saying, I agree to the terms. You can even pair this with an embedded link element to add a clickable URL right to your privacy policy. To wrap it up, we will add one last button label, this time customizing it to say submit. And there you have it, a professional multi-screen WhatsApp form with a conditional logic and file uploads all built in minutes. Now we will preview the WhatsApp form to check if it's correctly made or not. Yes, you can see all the screens are made correctly. One last thing, if you ever want to reuse this form for another project, BotBee allows you to use the import flow JSON button to easily migrate or duplicate your templates. Now we need to connect it to a chatbot flow so users can actually access it. Head back to the bot manager and click on bot reply. We will create a simple chatbot flow and set our trigger word to job. So whenever a user messages job on WhatsApp, the bot will trigger. Create a simple chatbot flow attaching our form in it and hit save. On my WhatsApp, I am going to type the trigger word. Yes, the replies are coming. Fill the form. And submit it. And just like that, the data is successfully collected. If you found this build along helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more BotBee automations. See you in the next video.